Hello guys, welcome to WepTech Academy. Today we are going to be designing this amazing beauty flyer, and it is very easy. In less than 10 minutes you should be able to design this beauty. Alright, so I'm gonna head on and start right away. One thing I always encourage you guys to do is before you start designing the flyer, kindly write out the steps and we'll write down what you don't understand. Without further ado, let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is to come to File, click on New, then let your dimension be 15 centimeters. You can change it from here, 15 by 15. The resolution can be 300, it can be 100, it can be 200, depending on how strong your machine is. Then from there, let's come down to color mode. Your color mode should be RGB because this is being used for social media. If it's being used for printing, always ensure your work is on CMYK. All right, once you got this, kindly click on create. Once you click on create, you're gonna have something like this. And for us to start right away, we are going to come down into the blending options and you select gradient. So from gradient, you have something like this. Simply click on it, then you scroll right down and try to change it. Actually, this is a color I use for my own design. This is what I used. So let me share the color code with you. The color code here is DB9C33. Then why the other one is, excuse me, the other one is FDE9B4. They click OK. Beautiful. Now once you do that, come to style and click on radial. Ooh, I think I made a big mistake there. Let's see something. Okay, let me delete. Beautiful. All right, so click on radial, but now you discover that it's not coming out how I want it to come out. So what I'll do here is I'll click on reverse and it's gonna give me something like this. And let's reduce this this color a bit, it's too shouty. Something more like this. Beautiful. So from there, click OK, OK, and OK. Right away, we are going to draw the next shape, the shapes that is gonna be here, and you have to use the rectangle tool, which the shortcut for rectangle tool is U. So just click on the rectangle tool and simply draw it out. The color we're using is a chocolate color. Okay, I will share with you the color code for my chocolate color. The color code for my chocolate color is FB3D06. Then you click OK. Then let me increase this a bit, something like this. Beautiful. Then from there, I need to draw a small tiny line. It's not supposed to be very big, just something very tiny, something like this, and you change the color to that which is by the side. By how do you do that? If you come here, click on this rainbow, it's gonna permit you to click on the color that you want. I want this by the side, then you click on OK. Okay, beautiful. The next thing we are going to do from here is to draw the shapes. So to draw the shapes for the first set of pictures is to still use this rectangular tool. Then we draw out the first one. Now when you draw out the first one, you have to come to properties, under properties, and change these guys here to 50. Then create a stroke on the very color, then put here where I've highlighted to 1. Then you click enter. Then now use Ctrl J or use your alternative. Where your alternative is gonna come out something like this, 2 pointers, and click on it. Then come right down holding the shift key. Do same for the other, do same for it. Then I feel that the spaces between them is too much, so I'm going to shift this right up here. Then let's reduce this a bit, then increase the sizes, something more like that. Then now, how do you put pictures inside? It's quite easy. Click on it, come to file, click on place embedded, then just paste the pictures that you have. Check on this video below. You're going to see the link of the pictures. So once to paste the pictures is not difficult, okay? So once you paste that, you have to resize it to the size that you want to fit, and double click. Once you double click, you hold the alternative key or your keyboard and just go within the lines and you click. It does the magic for you. And last time you can do it is, first of all, to import the picture as usual. Resize it, double click, left click here and click create clipping mask. It will automatically do it. The next thing from there is to type out the Vera Beauty. The fonts used here, I will not have time to rewrite all those words, but you can type it, but make sure you type it out. The fonts used here, the first font on Vera is Black Sword. The second font is Dilidum. Then when I did this, I drew out a line to help me draft out the other ones down. From there, I'll just do my copy and paste, but ensure that you type yours out. The font used on services as well is Dilidrum. Then the one used on the services offered is Montserrat Regular. Then these pictures is the same style that I did it here, and I'll repeat it so that you can as well master it. Draw the shapes, very tiny shapes, then add a stroke and ensure that it's 1. Click enter. So excuse me, let me change my keyboard. Then hold the alternative key with the shift key and simply drag. Then click on the first shape that you want to paste. Come to file, paste embedded, and select the pictures. Now this one is for the nails. Do same for others. Click create clipping mask. Perfect. Next is this one. Create clipping mask. Then now for the picture at the back, what I did was very simple. I simply paste her picture. Simply paste her picture. Simply paste her picture, something like this. Then I use the removal quick selection tool to I came here and I clicked on select background, selected it out. I clicked on Ctrl J to remove it, and use soft light. That's all I did there. And if you are at this level, congratulations. That is how you can design this very, very simple flyer using Photoshop. See you on the next tutorial. Before I go, there is something I want to show you. Most of the time, how I do my color grading is this. Okay, first thing I always do is to merge the files. I use Ctrl J, Ctrl E to merge all the files. Then I come to filter, night collection, and Venvisa. If you don't have this, then you're missing a lot. PV now, let me get it to you. So once I come down, most of the time I only add the saturation and the structure, and it does the magic for me. Let me show you the before and the after. This the after, and this is the before. You see the differences. If I want to make it more complicated, what I do is that I use Ctrl J, I come here to linear light, and I come to filter, others, high pass, and it gives me something like this. So all I have to do now is to come here and reduce it. This help give my designs more details. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's stay in together.